Are you ready to turn your cash flow into crypto gains? Whether you're in it for the long haul or chasing the next big move, today on Cash Flow Ciphers, we're diving into the exciting world of investing and trading in cryptocurrency. Let's break it down. Introduction to investing and trading. First things first, what's the difference between investing and trading? It all comes down to your goals and strategy. Investing is about buying and holding cryptocurrency over the long term, believing it will grow in value over time. Think of it like planting a tree that'll bear fruit years down the line. Trading, on the other hand, is about making short-term moves to capitalize on price fluctuations. It's more like surfing the waves rather than waiting for the tide to rise. Benefits and risks of investing. Let's start with investing. Why do people love it? Pros: simplicity. You're not constantly glued to the charts. Potential for massive returns. Imagine if you'd bought Bitcoin in 2012 and held on. Lower fees. Fewer transactions mean fewer fees. Cons: market volatility. Crypto prices can drop hard and fast. Patience required. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. So, if you're an investor, focus on strong projects with real utility, like Ethereum for its smart contracts or Solana for its speed. The thrill and risks of trading. Now, trading. This is for those who love the adrenaline rush and have time to watch the markets. Pros: quick profits. You can make gains in minutes or hours. Variety of strategies. Day trading, swing trading, scalping, take your pick. Learning curve. It's a skill that can pay off across markets. Cons: risk of losses. The market can turn against you quickly. Emotion-driven decisions, FOMO and panic selling can kill your gains. If you're trading, use tools like technical analysis, set stop losses, and never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Which strategy is right for you? So, which strategy should you choose? If you have limited time and prefer a more hands-off approach, investing might be your best bet. If you love analyzing trends and thrive on quick decisions, trading could be your calling. Here's a pro tip. You don't have to pick just one. Many successful crypto enthusiasts combine both strategies. For example, you can invest in Bitcoin for the long term while trading altcoins for short-term gains. Final tips for success. No matter your strategy, here are 3 golden rules for success. Do your research. Learn about the projects you're investing or trading in. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stay disciplined. Stick to your plan and don't let emotions drive your decisions. And remember, the crypto market is unpredictable. Only invest or trade what you can afford to lose. That's it for today's episode on Cash Flow Ciphers. Are you team investor or team trader? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more crypto content every week. See you in the next one. Let's keep those ciphers flowing.